proprietors, school administrators, school owners, teachers, and virtually everyone that is aspiring or planning to start up a school business. This application that I just recently developed is for you. It's here to optimize your student record. It's all about the very important information of each and every student. It will help you to capture your student information in the accurate manner and get them saved for you in the right proportion. And the back end is the very popular Microsoft Excel that we are aware of. It will help you to capture virtually all your information. It can be on a termly basis, depending on how you want to, get your information saved. After you have gotten your information on a particular term or in a particular term, then you can now archive it. You can copy it to your flash or somewhere or cloud or your email, Gmail account to get it saved properly. Then you continue with another term. It doesn't mean that the one of the term you just archived or saved left is still there. Depending on how you want to save it, you can wipe it and then start all over. But if you want to keep it, you can keep it and continue from where you stop. Now, but the reason for archiving or for having a backup is the fact that you will need to keep updating. As you can see, there is an update button here. So you need to keep updating each student's record on a termly basis. So this particular software is very, very well vital. Like, it is very, very okay. It is well organized for your use. And as you can see, there's a place where you can equally upload your student's passport rather. There's a place where you can upload your student passport for you to actually, see each and every student that you have in your school. Now, let's take it one after the other for the sake of clarity. Now, as it is written here, this is the title, which is what Student Information Management System. And just like I rightly said, it has an update button, for you to keep updating each student's information depending on how the records flows. Whether a student comes in like is being admitted newly or is leaving, and then you need to update that he or she has left, or so or is being promoted, you need to equally update and all of that. Then you can search for every student you have in your database, in your back end rather, which is what Excel. You can search each student. Any student you want to search his or her record, you can search using this search pane or search search box, so that you can get that student information from Microsoft Excel where it is being saved. It's as simple as that. Now, this is the admission number for each student. Now, it keep iterating. Now, it is on 2. Now, if you finish saving a particular student information on this admission number 2, the next time we're going to capture another student's information, the number that will be here will be 3. So it will keep iterating. It's a recursive, like it will keep automating itself. Now, this will show you the very date, that is the actual date of the day you are recording or you are capturing a student information, which is like this. Now we can see that today's date, yes, and today's date is the 7th of June 2025. Now this is the student information frame. So this is the student information frame. As you can see, it has student name, that is name of the student, the date of birth of the student. Yes, you can see that it's well designed. You can just easily pick the student's year of birth, and then the month of birth, and then the date of birth of the students, and then have it in your record. Now, whether the gender is male or female, you can select. Previous school attended, you can do that. Get that captured. Then reason for leaving, yes, the reason for leaving the previous school, you get that captured. Class, last attended, the class the student last attended. You can see that it's well arranged in this drop down menu so that you can easily pick, you can easily select. Now, current class where the student is to be admitted, you can do that. And then if the student is already a current student in the school, you can update the current class that the student is always going to. Now, term, if it is first or second or third term, you can do that. You can select easily the religion, whether the student is a Christian, Muslim, traditional, kind of religion type the person is. You can easily capture that. If it's others, you can actually capture it easily. Then state of origin of the student. Yes, we have 36 states in Nigeria, and then like I said, I just did it purely for Nigeria sake. But if you're in a neighboring country or somewhere different from Nigeria and you want such a thing, you can just message me and I will get it done for you. It's not a difficult task for me. It's something I'm already into. I'm conversant with this particular language, which is Python. I use it a lot to develop projects for people, for clients. Now, health challenge, if any. Now, if the student have any particular health challenge, why? Because of the preference, how the student is to be treated. Yes, that's the reason why this particular aspect is or particular information is required. Now, the contact details. This is a very key part of it for the school use, in case maybe the student is sick or the student needs the parent's attention, or the teacher wants to communicate with the student. The teacher wants to communicate with the parent. If the teacher wants to communicate with the parent, then or the proprietor wants to communicate with the parent, it can easily be gotten from this record that will be captured. The parent or guardian name, the resident, and now in case of incasity, God forbid, now this resident address is very, very key and vital. Now the school boss can easily, and as a matter of fact, if there is a situation whereby the school boss have to take the student to and fro to school and back home every day. Yes, this residential address is very, very important, because this is what the driver will be using. Now, the phone number of the parent. Yes, these are vital information. And the occupation. Yes. Now, this is for official use, which is for the school mainly. And what is there is for the teacher, or the proprietor, basically, to be able to assess who actually captured this information. That is updated by who? The teacher that updated, or the secretary, or the administrator that updated the student's record. Yes, the name of because they go and they come. So the name of that particular person should be here in case there's need to contact the person. Now that's why the person's or the personnel phone number will equally be here. Now the proprietor, or whomever that approves it, his or her name will be here. Then the date that it is being approved will be here. And now that's why it's basically the very actual day of that day. But if there's need, it can equally be edited to some other day that the record was approved. Now, here you can upload student information. Yes, this particular same kind of information capturing software, I can actually design it for any other form of platform, any form of organization, any form of institution aside school. So if you have need for such, you can contact me. It's not a difficult task for me, and the money is not, I won't be charging you much. It's simple. I will do it. This is my contribution to the society where I found myself. Now, you upload student information, which is where I was driving at. It's as simple as this. You can see that the information, the passport will appear. You can upload the student's passport. So in this case, I'm the student. So you can upload the student passport. The student passport can be uploaded in this format. Now you can, at the end of the tunnel, after you have done everything, you can save. You can save. After you are done saving, and then you want to reset and then start all over again, you can equally do that. You can click reset. Now you can exit the application if you are done doing whatever you want to do with it. So it's as simple as this. So do well to what to please like this channel if the information I've just conveyed suit your taste, or even though you don't like it, just do well to like the channel, because some other ones that you will like will come your way. And for the sake of you seeing those other ones that you are interested in, you can equally what like, because that's what we prompt the algorithm to showcase the recent one or the current one that I will be doing for your consumption. So now you please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all.